पेमेंट से रिलेटेड एनीथिंग दैट वी यूज्ड टू, हमारे पास कोई भी इशू आता था, वी यूज्ड टू गो टू द अकाउंट्स टीम, वहां जाके खड़े हो, उनसे आर्ग्यू करो, उनसे बैठ के बातचीत करो और फिर इस थिंग को सॉर्ट आउट करो. But when Calexo came into the picture, each and every of my employee got this, Calexo ka login, right? Now, what they can do is every time a student comes to them, they just have to log into the Calexo and see that this was the payment that was made, this is remaining, whether there was any scholarship that was given to the student, उसकी data भी वहीं पे update हो रहा है, क्या payment दिया, कितना payment रह गया, this all information is available for me just on one click. When we talk about online, there was no process that we had online before this. What we used to do was call students in the campus, and they used to pay. And then there was this accounts team that we had who used to, sometimes give written receipts or take an online receipt and then kind of give it to them, which used to take a lot of time. There was a huge line that we used to have in front of our accounts department. So that was one of the things that we wanted to sort out, and that is one of the biggest reasons we, adopted Calexo. And Calexo really simplified things for us. We made sure that students instantly. Calexo ka biggest benefit was that instant receipts were given to the students. जैसे ही आपने pay किया, you get the receipts. So that was one of the biggest benefits for parents as well as for the students. To get a conformity that they have been admitted to the campus. So that was one of the biggest things that we had. Secondly, when we used to generate physical receipts, name of all the courses and there was this what you call nomenclature is what we call it, right? So when we used to write, sometimes accounts team is writing, let's say if someone has taken admission in bachelor's of computer science engineering, they are writing BTech CSE, or they are writing bachelor's of technology CSE or computer science engineering is not written. Calexo simplified that for that also for us, because एक ही nomenclature बन गया. BTech CSE was BTech computer science engineering, and each and every receipt was generated on the same name. So that was one of the things that really simplified. That was one of the things that we really appreciated, कि हमारा एक course का अब एक ही नाम है instead of just 4-5 names altogether, right? So that's how it is. Yeah. So basically पहले की अगर मैं बात करूँ तो when we used to do all this before, there were a lot of irritated parents that we used to get, because they used to have huge lines, they used to have to wait a lot in the line. तो वो लोग shout करते थे, they were like, we are here to take admission, हम तो पैसे देने हैं, why is this happening with us, and things like that. So these were some of the things that were really sorted after Calexo was adopted, because वो instant receipt वाला जो generation है, that was one of the biggest pluses for us. Parents को पता चल जाता था पे करते ही that okay fine, we have the admission here is now done. So that was one of the biggest benefits. There was, but it was really complicated. So yeah, it was something like a physical thing only. जिसमें वो accounts team बैठ के they used to enter each and every data and generate online receipts. So it was quite a difficult process, not an easy one. During the admission season, accounts team and finance team were really in a lot of difficulties, because unko there were times when we used to have like 100 admissions in a day, and there were like 250 footfall that we had. So there were about 250 students who visited, उसमें से 100 admissions हो रहे हैं. तो वहाँ पर there was a huge line, and there are old students also who want to pay for the next semester. It's all simplified. They are like very happy with it, because जो हमारा first year का जो first touch होता है student का, that is their first semester fee. अगर उसमें problem आए, so that is one of the biggest that a university is facing. So that is not resolved, and that is something that we are really happy about, because as soon as the student comes here, we share the online receipt, and instantly the payment is made and the student is told that okay fine, you're selected. अगर मुझे आज की डेट में एक साल पुराने स्टूडेंट का कुछ भी इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए, कुछ भी डेटा चाहिए, I can just go to Calexo, kind of download their receipt. I don't have to go to accounts. I don't have to go to a human and ask him कि मुझे एक साल पहले का ये वाला डेटा निकाल के दो. I just have to log into Calexo, look at this and get all the details from there. So that is something that has really simplified us. So when we were looking for a new tool, which would simplify our students' life basically and their parents' life also, we looked at a lot of softwares, and Calexo was something जिसमें हमें ये लगा कि एक तो Calexo is sorted, it's quick, it's pretty stress-free payment हो जाता है. You get a lot of options to make the payments as well.
Yeah.
You have these payment gateways जहाँ पे आपको सारे credit card, debit card, UPI, all the options are given. So a parent has no complaints actually. When they come to the campus, उनको या तो ऐसा होता था कि they want to pay cash. तो cash के लिए we used to accept. They want to pay by let's say card. कार्ड कभी चल रहा है, कभी मशीन इज नॉट वर्किंग, कभी कुछ. तो कलेक्सो में कभी वी नेवर हैड दैट इशू दैट कलेक्सो इज नॉट वर्किंग बिकॉज एवरीथिंग इज हैपनिंग ऑनलाइन एंड द यूपीआई पेमेंट इज लाइक इन एन इंस्टेंट. आपको डिफरेंट तरह के प्लेटफॉर्म मिलते हैं, डिफरेंट तरह के ऑप्शंस मिलती हैं. सो दैट वाज वन ऑफ द थिंग्स दैट वी रियली लाइक्ड अबाउट कलेक्सो. And yeah, that's one of the biggest things that we needed. When we were looking for these tools, we were also looking for something जिससे कि हमें instant generation of receipt मिल जाए. कि जैसे ही पेमेंट हो पेरेंट के पास या स्टूडेंट के पास रिसीट पहुंच जाएगी. ओके फाइन, दिस थिंग इज डन. सो दैट इज व्हाट वी मेड श्योर कि ऐसा कुछ प्लेटफॉर्म होना चाहिए. एंड या कलेक्सो वर्क फॉर अस फॉर श्योर. when I first time saw the Kalexiо, the first thing that I saw was a simplified interface. उसका इंटरफेस इतना प्यारा और इतना सिंपल था कि मुझे लगा कि पेरेंट के लिए कोई प्रॉब्लम होने नहीं वाली है इस पे पेमेंट करने के लिए. देयर वर अ लॉट ऑफ अदर पेमेंट gateways where we went. But then Kalexio was उसका इंटरफेस इतना सिंपल था that you just go there, you see all the details of the student and then you click on pay and then you get all the options. Whether you want to pay whatever payment gateway you want to go for. So that's how it is. So that was one of the biggest things. उसके बाद the other thing that I really liked about Kalexio was कि वो हमारे NPF के साथ बहुत अच्छे से लिंक हो गया, right? So as soon as the receipt is generated here, it used to show on our CRM that the payment is made. So that was one of the very good integrations that I saw that was really work for us. इससे पहले जो हमारे पास सॉफ्टवेयर था उसमें it used to take about a day's time to integrate on the system. So the payment हो चुका है, पेरेंट के पास रिसीट है, बट सिस्टम में भी एडमिशन सक्सेसफुली नहीं हुआ. सो दैट वाज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट डील्स, दैट वाज द बिगेस्ट चैलेंज दैट वी यूज्ड टू फेस कि हमें एक दिन तक यही नहीं पता होता था कि एडमिशन हुआ है या नहीं हुआ. Kalexiо sorted that thing also out. As soon as the payment is made here, it's updated on our CRM. Of course, see, एक और चीज जो मुझे बहुत ही ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग लगी, पेमेंट से रिलेटेड एनीथिंग दैट वी यूज्ड टू हमारे पास कोई भी इशू आता था, we used to go to the accounts team, वहाँ जाके बैठ के बातचीत करो और पेमेंट थिंग को सॉर्ट आउट करो. But when Kalexio came into the picture, each and every of my employee got this, Kalexio ka login, right? Now what they can do is every time a student comes to them, they just have to log into the Kalexio and see that this was the payment that was made, this is remaining, whether there was any scholarship that was given to the student, uski data bhi wahi pe update ho raha hai. So that was one of the biggest advantages. I or my team doesn't have to go to accounts team or finance team and go there, stand there and kind of argue with them about the students thing. So that is all displayed on my system now. That is the biggest thing that I saw. That was the biggest improvement that we had in our campus for sure. Overall implementation experience is really nice because जो भी चीजें Kalexio पे हुई वो they were updated on CRM. It's all good. पहले जो शुरुआत में हमारी I guess 4-5 ट्रबल शूट्स हुए हमारे आपकी टीम के साथ, but those were resolved pretty quickly. मतलब instant action और instant, because Kalexio में मेरे को यही चीज सबसे बेस्ट लगती है कि it's very modifiable basically. उसको आप किसी भी तरह मॉडिफाई करके you can attach it with your CRM and get things done over there. So that was one of the biggest helps that Kalexio had for us. Transition was not that bad actually because शुरुआत में see, it was very a problematic transition for the accounts team because they were like अपने lines and things like that. But yeah, for a team it was pretty simplified because interface बहुत easy था. एक ही training में लोगों को काफी कुछ पता चल गया and once they started using Kalexio it was like not a problem. फटाफट हो गया. So the biggest thing was I don't see any lines in front of the accounts team. So that is one of the biggest thing that I see. Second thing is that when we adopted Kalexio, students could actually come to us and ask us. उनको भी accounts में जाने की ज़्यादा ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी. अगर वहाँ पर rush है, they can definitely come to us. They can ask us. One of our employees, each and every employee had a Kalexio login. So they used to check scholarship का कोई issue है. ठीक है, स्पोर्ट्स देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ स्कॉलरशिप दैट यूनिवर्सिटीज गिव. तो हम उसको ये भी बता देते थे कि इतने अमाउंट की आपको स्कॉलरशिप मिल चुकी है एंड दिस इज द अमाउंट दैट इज स्टिल रिमेनिंग और पेंडिंग दैट यू हैव टू पे. सो दैट वाज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट एडवांटेजेस दैट वी हैव. और that's what the Kalexio has kind of simplified our payment procedures and easyability और usability पे बहुत फर्क पड़ा है. मेरे पास स्टूडेंट आता था तो आई नेवर यूज्ड टू हैव एनी आइडिया whether payment has been made or not made till the time he or she shows me a receipt. So what we used to do was coordinate, strong coordination with accounts team was something that we used to work on. But अब मेरे को वहाँ जाना नहीं पड़ता. I can strictly just sit here, see all the things patched up to be. I can see क्या payment हुआ है, क्या pending है, क्या नहीं हुआ, whether the payment was made and what date was the payment by what time. So I don't have to go to the accounts team and fight over there and tell them, कि ये क्या हो रहा है, student का issue resolving one thing like that. I can straight away log into Galexo, look into the things and address the student accordingly. So when our students, first of all, when they get offer letters from our side, Galexo is one of the biggest things, because WhatsApp reminders उसी के through जा रहे हैं अब हमारे. So we used to it is very easy for the student to understand that they have to kind of pay the fee and things like that. And secondly, when we also call the student, they already know, yeah, हमारे पास reminder आ गया, we'll be doing it today, we'll be doing it tomorrow or day after. So they also have an idea, that they have to pay the fee or whatever, booking amount of fee, whatever it is, right? And students keep used to getting instant reminders and constant reminders, I must. Concentrating just on the accounts team or just on the finance team, we can concentrate on other things now because Galexo has sorted things out for us. So instead of just giving them online receipts to the students and giving them all the details online only, has simplified a lot of things for us. Now we can concentrate on other venues as well. So that is one of the things, that is something that we are focusing on. Because our finance is not sorted. ठीक है ना, मेरा फाइनेंस में कोई इशू नहीं है. मेरे कौन से स्टूडेंट का कब एडमिशन हुआ, कितने बजे हुआ, क्या पेमेंट दिया, कितना पेमेंट रह गया, दिस ऑल इंफॉर्मेशन इज अवेलेबल फॉर मी जस्ट ऑन वन क्लिक. I am concentrating on other venues now. I can actually think for other things to grow now. So that's one of the biggest things. Yeah. Okay, so just show them this testimony. I guess that will all do. Because this tool has been a really impressive tool for us. It has been a great help. Simplified. I guess they simplified our work for sure. Yeah.